The United Nations recently had an interesting visitor. In a new video released by the United Nations Development Program, a CGI dinosaur walks right into the UN hall to address the group. So what could a dinosaur possibly have to talk about with the world leaders? Something a dinosaur would know an awful lot about, actually. Extinction. Here's what the Jack Black-voiced reptile had to say about it.
I know a thing or two about extinction. And let me tell you, and you'd kind of think this would be obvious, going extinct is a bad thing. You're headed for a climate disaster, and yet every year governments spend hundreds of billions of public funds on fossil fuel subsidies. Imagine if we had spent hundreds of billions per year subsidizing giant meteors. That's what you're doing right now!
This humorous video comes on the tail of a new UN Development Program report on fossil fuel subsidies, which found governments around the world spend $423 billion every year to maintain the fossil fuel industry's success. And climate experts agree that getting rid of those subsidies is a crucial step in saving the planet. It's a fun and educational video about our current situation, with a harrowing message about where we might end up.
Don't choose extinction. Save your species before it's too late.